Welcome everyone. Today we are looking at the YITAHOME 12,000 BTU mini split air conditioner heat pump system, a compact, Wi-Fi-enabled AC and heater that keeps your space comfortable all year round. Before we dive in, make sure to click the link in description below to get this air conditioner at the best price in the market. This mini split system is designed for rooms up to 750 square feet and offers both heating and cooling, which makes it perfect for bedrooms, living rooms, garages, basements, or even small commercial spaces. Its inverter technology ensures efficient energy use, helping you save up to 25% on electricity bills compared to traditional systems, while still delivering powerful performance. One of the standout features is its 5 operational modes, including auto, cool, dry, heat, and fan, allowing you to easily adjust to your preferred comfort level. The system is Wi-Fi enabled and compatible with Alexa, which means you can control it from your smartphone or by voice commands, adding convenience to your daily routine. Another impressive aspect is the quiet operation with noise levels under 41 decibels, letting you work, sleep, or relax without disturbance. The AC also comes with a self-cleaning filter, iFEEL mode for precise temperature control, and a health mode that removes dust and PM 2.5 particles, contributing to cleaner indoor air. Installation is straightforward for licensed HVAC professionals, with a complete kit that includes both indoor and outdoor units along with a multifunctional remote. While it performs extremely well in a variety of temperatures, it's important to note that professional installation is required to fully maximize efficiency. Overall, this is a reliable, energy-efficient, and versatile air conditioning solution for anyone looking to maintain comfort year-round. Don't forget to check the link in the description below to grab the YITAHOME 12,000 BTU mini split AC at the best price and enjoy a smarter, quieter, and more efficient home climate.